Have you ever found yourself just ignoring or neglecting your finances? Facing the numbers can be overwhelming, stressful, time-consuming, and complicated. Piggy Banker allows you to track your entire financial life in one spot. And we know we're not the first financial tracker out there, but trust us, we're different. We have optimized for simplicity and usability. Connect to thousands of financial institutions and an ever-growing list of crypto providers. We will compile all of the data and allow for it to be output in ways that you will understand. Customize your tracking experience by immediately integrating with either Notion or Google Sheets. By using tools that you already know and love, you will find that checking your finances finally feels refreshing and in order. We provide all of the foundational templates you need to get started with the click of a button. Plus, our community continues to grow and provide its own templates and ideas. Oh, and if you want to nerd out and create your own custom tracking, we've got you covered. Our workflow section allows for just that. You can get as simplistic or as complex as you desire. It's difficult to understand, let alone improve what you don't track. So what are you waiting for? Fatten up your financial future today by becoming your very own piggy banker.